Welcome back to the channel, hope you're all well. Today's vlog is quite a short vlog. I bought some new equipment for filming. I normally use GoPros for filming, however I find the iPhone is much better filming, much better camera. So the equipment I bought today is the Osmo Mobile 6 Gimbal, which should make footage even better than it normally is. So we'll get on and do the unboxing. So there it is, the new gimbal. Let's get the box open and see what's inside. In the packet, charging cable, some instructions, quick start guide, some stickers, a bag, carry bag for keeping it in. This is the phone holder, magnetic, that fastens it. This is a tripod that screws into the arm. Very nice. And this is a gimbal. That's a gimbal. You unfold it and it should automatically turn on. Red light, flashing light, so I think it needs charging. So that's what's in the box. We'll get to use it shortly and so I'll show you what the footage is like. See you in a bit.